Hyderabad Liberation Day is being celebrated today to mark the historic accession of the princely state of Hyderabad into Indian Union. Operation Polo, as the famous police action was codenamed, brought down the curtains on the oppressive Nizam's rule on this day in 1948. Even after India became independent, people of Hyderabad state had to wait for 13 months, 13 more months to get freedom. Common people had to face difficulties during the period, and especially the farmers. They had to resort to armed struggle to protect their rights. That must be the only struggle in the world in which farmer took up arms. The unique struggle encompassed the fight against the Nizam and his feudal system. This became possible only when the Indian army took up the police action, and at the end of the operation, which lasted for 5 days, the last Nizam of the Asaf Jah dynasty, Mir Usman Ali Khan, announced ceasefire on this particular day in 1948. However, the successive governments in the state of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh and even after Telangana state was formed have desisted from celebrating the occasion at the official level. Celebration of the day became contentious among various political parties. Some political parties observe today as the liberation, while others call it an accession day. While political parties stick to their stands, many of those who participated in the struggle and their families feel that the nation should remember this day for its historic importance, and all the merit goes, all the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had brought about this occasion. However, several programs are being lined up in Hyderabad and other parts of Telangana, which is a part of then Hyderabad state. The idea of India as a nation had remained contentious in the academia, notwithstanding the cultural unity that India had, the entire subcontinent had from times immemorial. The idea of nation state was a recent one. It's a fact that India would not have been one political entity but for the contribution made by the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His contribution was not limited to bringing over 562 princely states under one umbrella by demonstrating extraordinary political acumen, but extended to taking some strong, candid decisions. One such, of course, was Operation Polo. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel handled the issue of Hyderabad at a critical juncture. The Razakars were committing horrendous crimes on the people, especially the Hindus, while the Nizam was toying with the idea of either merging Hyderabad with Pakistan on the lines of East Pakistan or remaining independent country. Inspired by the slogan of Vande Mataram, the people of Hyderabad, Samasthan, they fought for 3 causes: against the Razakars for the liberation of Hyderabad, for unification of Hyderabad into Indian Union. In September 1948, Razakars massacred Hindus and committed heinous crimes. Incidents such as Parkala and Brainpali took place. This proved the last straw. The fact that Nehru was tentative and the cabinet was divided on the issue did not deter the Iron Man of India from taking the tough decision. As a consequence of Operation Polo, Nizam surrendered on September 17, 1948, and Hyderabad Samasthan got merged with the Indian Union. This is a momentous occasion in the history, but for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Hyderabad Samasthan would not have been a part of Indian Union.